Welcome to my channel. I'm Gary. Today we are featuring washing and cooking orange and red beets in the Instapot. Did you know that beets are loaded with fiber, folate, vitamin B9, manganese, potassium, iron, and vitamin C? The best thing about beets is it can improve blood flow pressure and increase exercise performance. Beets should be every athlete's food choice for better than average performance. Thank you for watching.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food plant-based lifestyle.
Start off with a clean sink. Stopper in organic beets. Untie the string. These are gold beets. See how gold they are? These guys are just regular beets, organic beets. Fill the sink full of water. The leaves and the beet is clean. Using a kitchen towel, I'm going to be placing the beet leaves on top to dry. I'm washing them in cold water. Now for the organic beets. Can't miss them, they have purple stems. You could hold them by the stem. And that way the leaves won't get lost in the water. Now we're not cooking these today. So we're going to keep them, we're going to dry the leaves and put them away in the refrigerator crisper. These, the beets themselves, you want to make sure they're clean. So when you're ready to cook them, you can see how dirty the water is. It's an amazing amount of dirt there is in these beets. The next step is to dry the leaves. You're kind of blotting them off, moving the leaves around all over the towel. I have the beet greens, the orange on one side and regular on the other side, 3 gold beets and 3 regular organic beets to cook for another day. Inside the Instant Pot are 3 red beets and 3 orange beets, and afterwards the peels will come right off easily. I've placed a vegetable strainer to keep the vegetables from being damaged on the bottom. The beets will require 2 cups of water and approximately 15 minutes to cook. This is filtered water being poured inside the Instapot. The next step is to apply the lid. So you want to seal everything inside. Set on manual the time to 15 minutes. From here, the Instapot will come to pressure and then count backwards until it's finished. The buzzer tells you it's on and it's ready. The Instapot is turned off. The lock has been released. You hear the music. Now it's safe to open the lid. The juices fall inside the pot. Put the lid in a safe place. Now pick up the Instapot liner using an oven net and pour it into the sink. Be careful not to burn yourself. Set it back inside of the Instapot for cleaning later. Put some cool water on the beets. You see how the skins come right off. It just peels right off the root. The red root peeling off that skin right off gives your hand a nice red glow. And then you can put it on the plate. This is an orange beet. You just see I'm not using any tools. I'm just using my fingers and the skin's coming right off. All the information about beets will be located in the comments section below. Please check it out. I've included all the vitamins, all the minerals, so you have some information about how good beets can be in your diet. We're down to our last beet, this big gigantic beet. Look how fast that is. Here goes the top, the sides. In a few minutes I'm going to show you how I use these red beets when I make my lunch. vegan beet lunch. These are red beans that I've frozen. They used to be dried beans. I cooked them in the Instapot. I use about half a bag. I purchased these flash frozen vegetables. These have broccoli, carrots, green beans, yellow carrots, wax beans, and red peppers. Then I take one of the red beets I just cooked and I just cut it in half. See how easily it cuts? Be careful not to cut your fingers. Of course, you have to wash your hands before you do this. If you were using a very, very sharp knife, I would do this on a chopping board and then transfer the chopping board to your plate. So here you have a beautiful, now here's an orange beet, a different color to the meal. I would stick these in the microwave for 3 minutes. So it's come back from the oven and it's nice and warm. And I don't feel bad about putting a lot on since it's a plant-based cheese. It's good for me. And this is my vegan lunch. I store the beets after they're cooled in a plastic container. And now for a little cleanup. You just kind of use soap, wash this down so that next time you use it, it's all nice and clean. You don't have to worry about it. Same thing with the Instapot. You rinse it off, wipe it down, and it's all ready for next time. I hope you enjoyed my video. Hi, it's Gary. I hope you enjoyed this video. Click the circle on the right side of your screen to subscribe, or click the rectangular box on the upper right side for my playlist for more vegan organic cooking. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Thank you for watching.